Hello students, I came in front of you because we should know what is the gearbox, where it is used, why it is used, how it is used. That is the main fact. Just you see here, so this is the name of the figure which is drawn on the board. Okay, this is a gearbox. Gearbox is used in automobile vehicle. Then all vehicles, light vehicles, two-wheelers, heavy vehicles, everywhere. So, where it is located? Location is between clutch assembly and propeller shaft, or in transaxle clutch assembly and differential. It is located. Why it is used? It is used. The most important work is given in the automobile vehicle. This gearbox increases the torque. This gearbox vary the speed. To increase and decrease the speed and torque of the vehicle, we can take the reverse. Next one, during the vehicle is in stopping position, engine is in working condition, in gearbox is kept in neutral position, then engine can run but vehicle cannot run. This is the main fact. So it is in neutral position is the most important. Okay. So how it works? What is given in the gearbox? This is the main fact. Suppose vehicle is in steady position, in stopping position, and then we have to move it from the steady position. So with the help of the first gear, that means low gear, it types of the levers, advantage gets of the levers. So in first gear, it take the torque, engine speed. On the engine speed, vehicle cannot take load, and that's why gearbox is designed. So we should know how it is designed, what is in the gearbox. So example, there are many types of the gearboxes are there, but why I have taken one type of gearbox. At least we should know the design of the gearbox. That's how I have taken this type of the gearbox. This is a gearbox. This type of the gearbox is a constant mesh gearbox. Next video, I will give you in details how many types of the gearboxes, how it is, why they are there, these are the design that I will give you. Just you see here, this is the outer board, outer line is shown here. This is the gearbox casing. That is the gearbox casing. Okay, inside the casing, so maximum gears are designed. So how it is constructed, why it is constructed there, that we have to see. Let us see, this is a shaft. This we can say the drive shaft. We can say the drive shaft. Otherwise we can say input shaft. Okay, drive shaft, input shaft, clutch shaft also we can say. Because of why it is called clutch shaft, because upon this shaft, clutch is fitted. Next, from this to this portion to this portion, this to this end, one to other end, that is the main shaft. Main shaft, or output shaft. Not only main shaft, we can say also output shaft, because of power is coming out from this shaft. That's why it is called output shaft. Bottom side is this also shaft. From this end to other end, it is called lay shaft. Lay shaft or counter shaft. Other name is the counter shaft. And small shaft is given here, reverse idler shaft. Because of why it is given there, for taking the reverse gear, reverse the vehicle, we have to take reverse side. At that time, it is used. Just you see, there are so gears, many gears are here. The first one is the reverse gear. Reverse gear is fixed with this main shaft, and these also fixed with the lay shaft. What happens when drive comes from this side? When this will rotate, then this will rotate, all shaft will rotate, and when we will shift the lever, the reverse idler, in between the both gears, then this will clockwise and this shaft will rotate anti-clockwise rotation. That means vehicle will go back side as a reverse side. Next, how it works? Just you see here, this is the first gear. In car also, in heavy vehicle also, this is the first gear, this one is the second gear, this one is the third gear, this one is the fourth gear, and this one is the fifth gear, top gear we can see. Okay. Bottom side, this shaft, that we can say the counter shaft or leg shaft. So leg shaft, all gears are fixed with the leg shaft. We can separate, but small splines are designed here. And on the splines, all gears center side splines designed. So both are connected with this shaft, all gears. Okay. Next, upper side 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 gears are rotates on the bush. Just you see the bush. Inner side, small splines are designed. Outer side is the plane. So just like this type of the gear is used here. First gear, second gear, third gear, and fourth gear. And these gears used here, this type below the main shaft, that is the lay shaft. All lay shaft gears are just like this. Inside the splines are designed, and as well as reverse gear also. Okay. Next, how it works? When just you see here, the slide, this is a drive shaft. From this drive shaft, what happens? Fifth gear, that is a drive shaft gear, input shaft gear. This gear gives the drive to the counter shaft. Then counter shaft gear rotates. All gears rotates. As well as all gears are rotates on the also main shaft also. But all gears are rotated on the main shaft because of there is a bush. And due to the bush, what happens? Due to the bush, all gears are rotated. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 gears are rotated on the bush. That's why. Then suppose we have to select the first gear. So what happens? Outer, this is the outer. That means I have shown here separate outer dog and inner dog is there. There are two dogs, inner dog and outer dog. So outer dogs are kept on the inner dog. When what happens? When it will shift, this gear will shift that side. Sorry, this gear, the outer dog will shift on the first gear T. Then drive will come here, just goes to the first gear and rotates and give the rotation to the main shaft. The main shaft rotates, then will increase the torque because of rotation is the minimum. This rotation will be the maximum. Next gear, so just you see here, second gear, when outer dog will come here, this side shift with the help of the gear shifting lever, then second gear will get. Then afterwards, this outer dog will shift on the third gear, then speed will increase. Then fourth gear, what happens? Outer dog will shift fourth gear on the this stick. Then again vehicle speed will be the increased. And when it will shift to the final fifth gear, that is a top gear, that means engine's power, whatever is getting, that is a outputs that gives a drive to the 100% outputs getting there. This type of the gearbox like work. Thus you see, this shaft is fitted on this bearing. Ball bearing is given here, ball bearing is given here, but this shaft is supported in the drive shaft or input shaft inside the input shaft gear. Okay, and leg shaft is supported in the this bearing. Yeah, roller bearing, other ball bearing will be here, both sides. Okay, so thus it works. Then what happens? Just I have shown here gear shifting lever. When gear will come, this shift, gear shifting lever will push this side, then dog will go that side, and this gear will be like in engaged position. When it will shift from back side, this side, then it will come this side, and then gear forward. If you like this topic of the gearbox, then you like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.